Bendy and Boras just read it together. Just read it together
อ่านด้วยกันเอามากางออกแล้วก็อ่านด้วยกัน What do they read Can you tell me
Oh you seen this guy
Yeah
I didn't seen that guy
Yeah
but Chong just say he's Sandy
Yeah
Sandy who's that
My
dog and cat
Huh
yes if he's dog and cat but why she but what is that dog and cat but why she acting like a dog and cat I don't know maybe we don't want to ask her about it so we just stay safely in our house
Okay
we don't want to ask her about the friends her new best friend dog and cat
Yes.
we don't want to
Ask her
ask her about her new best friend
Yeah
or maybe if we ask her she could keeping a secret about her best friend or
Yes
something
she don't tell anyone She keep a secret Keep
she
her
could
friend in
hiding
the
all
tent
of them in a tent or something
Yeah
if the people pass by he just lured them into the tent and
Yes.
hide them
Yes
it looks like she been playing with a normal people
Yeah
and she just standing up like a normal people
Yes
and then she she just เขาผิวปากทำเฉย
Whistle
ๆ then when the people pass by
Uh-huh.
he transformed to be dog and cat again